Hey everyone, welcome back. So I start most mornings getting up between 7 and 7:30, although I'd been planning to get up about an hour earlier today, and then Kylie was up a lot in the night. She was not feeling well, came in our bed, and pretty much woke me up every time I fell asleep to keep asking for more tissues and things like that. It was just not a good night's sleep, so I let myself sleep in a little bit longer till 8 a.m. And then the first thing I do most mornings is throw on the first bra and shorts I find, brush my teeth, and jump on the elliptical for 30 minutes.
Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa.
I will usually wash and condition my hair every other day and then use dry shampoo on the in-between days. And I'll always let my hair air dry almost completely before I do anything with it. This is the Marc Jacobs Shameless Broad Spectrum 25 SPF Sunscreen Foundation in the color Light Y210. And I feel like this matches my skin color pretty well, especially because I don't go in the sun that much. And it's pretty good actually year-round for me, I think. Anyway, let me know if you guys would like to see like a makeup skincare routine. I've definitely been getting requests for that, so let me know if that's something that you would like to see, and I would be more than happy to share it with you. I also try to make my bed most mornings, even though Kenzie will usually burrow around in the comforter and pretty much unmake the entire bed by evening. I do find that making the bed and having the decorative and sham pillows in front not only looks nice, but it does help keep Kenzie from walking on our pillows while she's like digging and burrowing and trying to get warm under the blankets. Because although I do tolerate her trying to stay warm in the blankets at the end of the bed, honestly, for some reason I just cannot stand the thought of her walking on my pillow. It just totally grosses me out for some reason. So making the bed and standing up the pillows like this just kind of helps keep her from doing that. And then we actually had to run out for a 10 a.m. appointment now. My hair was still wet, so I honestly just clipped it back quickly. And then once we got back, I made my smoothie for breakfast. I've been using spinach and frozen acai, which I pick up in either Target or Trader Joe's, along with some maca powder and hemp seeds. And I've been really liking the Primal Kitchen Collagen Fuel protein powder lately. I like the chocolate coconut one mixed in with the spinach and acai. I feel like the flavors blend pretty well, and I do add some milk to that. I happen to have macadamia nut milk today on hand, so that's what I'm using. Kylie actually really likes this as well, so it's a great way to get her to eat her greens and get some extra nutrition as well. While I'm having my smoothie, I will usually check emails and respond to all your comments right now. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, finish getting ready, and just take care of some of the laundry that's been piling up as well. This is just from Monique from My Life in Style is the name of her YouTube channel, and I was saying how this sounded like it would smell so good, and Sephora wasn't available in the US. She's in the UK, and so she sent me not only the winter spice one to try, which smells amazing. It's like a cinnamon and orange smell. These are the concentrates. She also sent a Linen Fresh, a Country Garden, and Bouquet, which all smell so good. I think I liked maybe Bouquet the best. I don't know, Country Garden and Linen Fresh were so nice as well. And she also included this little handwritten note on a heart that her daughter made. How sweet is that? So thank you so much, Monique, and tell your daughter I said thank you for making this beautiful heart as well. I also just made Kylie's lunch now, and I have a cheese tortilla, raspberries, and yellow watermelon. Which, have you guys tried yellow watermelon before? Renee actually thinks that it tastes a little bit like a sweet cucumber, and I kind of agree with her. Just going through the mail here. I just got a Sephora package in. I purchased a bunch of things in that VIB sale that they had. I did pick up another one of these Marc Jacobs 24-hour foundation, 25 SPF sunscreen foundation. So I got some samples in here. This Clinique, this lotion is just, it works so well. So I actually got one of these for me, and my mother-in-law uses this as well. So she wanted one, so we got 2 of those. This is something new I've never used before, but I thought that I would give it a try, by Pharmacy. It's Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. This is 4.1 ounce, so I am excited and curious to try this one. I will let you guys know if I like it. This concealer I do like a lot. It's just the Sephora one, and I feel like, what color did I get here? 1 Bavarian Cream. I also will use number 3, which is called Fondant. I grabbed a couple of masks. I use the Sephora face masks from time to time. I've never used their hand masks, but I did decide to try it since I had the 15% off coupon. This macadamia hand mask says it's nourishing and soothing. I also picked up this aloe vera one, which says it's ultra moisturizing and beautifying. A mega illuminating moisturizer. I think this might have actually been from one of the samples, or what I redeemed points for, because you can earn points on there and then redeem them. This is a Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, which I have not tried the Tatcha brand, but I do have some of their products, and I do like the Tatcha brand products, so I'm gonna try that. And this was just another one of the samples. I should have probably grabbed another one of this Marc Jacobs coconut primer. I feel like this works so well. I really like this one. And this one is still pretty full, so I did not grab one, but I don't know, now I'm like second guessing. I feel like I should have picked one up while I was placing that order. Got in Kylie's leotard and ballet slippers. She's supposed to be starting ballet soon. And I also got in a whole bunch of clothing. This is just a tiny bit of it that I will be sharing with you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start filming an Amazon fall clothing haul now, so keep an eye out for that video. It will be coming soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Bye.